Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you. Before we move forward, once again, reminding all of you that we are live streaming on Reality Plus website, which is www.realityplusmag.com, which is www.realityplusmag.com. Also on our official Facebook page, which is RP Reality Plus. Also, don't forget to use a hashtag which is RP West Virtual and spread the word about being part of this exciting virtual experience. Do remember to tag us on our social media handles. On Facebook and Twitter, we are with the handle RP Reality Plus, and on Instagram, RP_reality. Now, before we move forward, we'd like to showcase an audio visual of RP Reality Plus Excellence Awards 2020.
We have 360-day platform for the real estate sector. The last 5 months have been very, very tough. They've been very challenging, but they have been rewarding in the way that it has put us on a reset. We have reimagined how we operate, how we work, how we live, how we build our companies, how each of the sector works. The good news is in the last 40 days, economic activity has started to come back. Construction activity has started to come back. The second point I'd like to make is the fact that millennials for the first time have spent a lot of time in their homes. So they possibly will value having their own home more than before COVID. Now, the value of a home will be realized by millennials, which may result into creation of demand. Third is, I think for the first time, every entrepreneur, every stakeholder in this sector has looked at what can be done with less. How can we do more with less? I think the mindset has changed to conserving every penny and putting it into something that creates visibility or value immediately or in the short term. Last but not the least, I want to say that technology is becoming integral to every part of the business. Last month, 84% GST collection. So that shows that the economy activity is coming back. So as economic activity comes back, jobs grow, disposable incomes grow. Some of that saving that has happened in the last 5 months, possibly the one is that we'll see that saving utilized is real estate. So there may be a revival of the real estate post-COVID, a revival that will be driven by COVID. I know currently there is a tepid environment, but I don't see that staying for long. So I want to leave this thought with you, and I am wishing the real estate sector all the best, and I'm sure the next 3 months for the real estate sector will be more buoyant than they ever have.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not all. We also have the eminent jury members of these awards who've taken out their precious time in evaluating, analyzing, and then coming down to the award winners of tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to share an audiovisual where our jury will be sharing their opinion. Can we have the AV, please?
Hi everyone, this is Anuj Puri from Analog. Like every year, it has been an absolute fun to be on the jury of Reality Plus. Like every year, we went meticulously through each of the contestants, each of the applications, and awarded the one which we felt had the best criteria laid out. I wish all the contestants who filed for this application and finally all the awardees all the very best.
Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya, partner with EY, and for the past 15 years have been working with the real estate developers, helping them navigate this uncertain environment and helping them prepare for the future. Reality Plus has provided an excellent platform, and I must congratulate all the entries who showcase their product, their design, their thinking, their past track record and experiences, and I must say that it did put pressure on me to score the different entries. Congratulations once again for all the entries, and let the best team win. Cheers.
Reality Plus is one of the most prestigious awards in the real estate space. It has been doing a commendable job in organizing conclaves and recognizing contribution of the real estate for decades. It was a tough task for me to be ranking and judging in these categories for residential, retail and office. I believe each nominee deserves an applause and an award. Thank you Reality Plus for continuing this tradition even in pandemic, keeping the morale and spirits high. And heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
Hi, my name is Gopalakrishnan Padmanabhan and I'm GDCI's Managing Director for the Southeast Asia and the Middle East markets. I'm grateful for the opportunity to meet with you virtually in these unusual times. In the face of COVID-19, resilience is a key descriptor for our country and region. And I would like to take a moment to acknowledge our frontline workers, the health workers and the essential workers who have been working day and night to protect our communities. I'm once again happy to be part of the Reality Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards.
Greetings everyone. It is a pleasure to be part of the jury panel again this year for the Realty Plus Excellence Virtual Awards. Realty Plus has been providing an excellent platform to acknowledge and celebrate all the great work done by our industry players. It is overwhelming to see such fantastic projects and to evaluate and go through each entry and rate it has been a great experience this year again. I'd like to send my best compliments to all the participants and the awardees. Thank you, Realty Plus.
Hi, this is Reza Kabul Architect, and I'm very excited to be a part of this Realty Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards. It's a different experience. It's for the first time that we are doing something like a virtual award and a virtual competition. My message to all the participants is kindly be specific, all the best, and we are very excited to do this.
Hi, this is architect Premnath from Mumbai. I'm happy to be a jury for Realty Plus Excellence Design Award for the year 2020. I pursued the entries and found them to be very interesting, comprising of Project Design Award, Developer of the Year, Excellence in Services, and whatnot. The entries received comprise good quality content, good services, good quality design, good quality amenities, and facilities. Some of them are iconic entries as well, which deserve award. I wish all the best to Realty Plus Conclave for the year 2020.
Hello friends, I am extremely happy to be a jury on these prestigious Realty Plus Excellence Virtual Awards this year. It is very important that more and more developers nominate their projects, more and more architects, more and more vendors nominate their work for these awards, because our industry does not have a credible rating system for each project, and these awards serve a very, very important role in recognizing a project for the excellent work it has done. Even being nominated itself is a testimonial of a good project. I wish all the best to all the nominees, and I compliment Realty Plus for putting together such an excellent event even in these times. Thank you.
This is Suresh Menon, President of Fire and Security Association of India. I'm extremely happy to be the jury member of Realty Plus Excellence Virtual Awards. Response has been extremely good and interesting. Many of the entries are so good that our job became very tough. Interestingly, few of the projects have clearly shown the measures they have taken towards fire, life safety and security, which was satisfying. I wish all the participants develop safe and secure projects, thereby helping India march towards Surakshit Bharat.
Thank you once again. I would like to thank all our eminent jury members to have taken out the time to actually analyze all the nominations that we've received and come down to the winners of tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move forward, let me introduce myself one more time. I'm Khyati Kawa, your host for 12th edition of Realty Plus Excellence Awards 2020. It's the time for this glittering evening to begin, and so to do the welcome address, I would like to welcome on screen the editor of Realty Plus, Ms. Sapna Srivastava. A very warm welcome to you, Sapna.
Thank you, Khyati. And thank you everyone for joining us today. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate all our winners. In fact, as the saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So the winners today have shown us that even with the tough situations, the challenges, it is possible to keep doing the good work. And this is what we are recognizing today in these awards. So without taking much time, I know everyone is waiting for the awards to begin. I hand it over to Khyati to please take us over from the for the proceedings. And once again, a very a warm welcome to all of you, and congratulations to the winners from the entire Realty Plus team.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sapna. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, let's kickstart this glittering evening. Actually, this glorious evening where we are celebrating, rewarding, and recognizing the nation builders, the innovators, the design thinkers. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my proud privilege to be the host for this Reality Plus Excellence Awards 2020. Before I move forward, I actually wanted to just bring a few points into perspective while we come to this award ceremony. When you travel anywhere in the world, what are the kind of things that you are excited to look at? Generally, it is the monumental buildings, right? Those are the monuments, whether it is the Eiffel Tower, whether it is, Hagia Sophia in Istanbul, whether it is Taj Mahal in Agra, the beautiful architecture, the real estate, right? That is what you remember. That is what you want to see, the iconic beauty of design and work coming together. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my proud privilege, like I mentioned, to bring to you the Reality Plus Excellence Awards 2020. While we are moving to the felicitation segment, Reality Plus believes in acknowledging and awarding the lineage of good work by the veterans of the industry and their contributions to the sector and the society at large. Ladies and gentlemen, so here we have, can we have the AV?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we present the winners of the 12th Realty Plus Excellence Awards West, a virtual series. The awards are presented to the most impressive real estate work and are divided under broad categories of real estate projects, developers, architects, branding and marketing consultants, and individuals. We begin with a very significant tribute to a very special individual who has been influential in enhancing the status of West real estate. A renowned architect, he has impacted the skyline of metropolitan India with his strong endorsement of the vertical growth of sustainable and compact cities. His practice, set up in 1982, is now the largest architectural firm in India. Passionate about social housing, his dream is to provide a house for every Indian. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lifetime Achievement Award of the Year goes to the visionary architect Hafiz Contractor, founder and principal architect Hafiz Contractor.
I would like to welcome architect Hafiz Contractor with this quote. I'm sure you've heard of Ayn Rand's Fountainhead, right? The great book about architecture and real estate, where she says, a building has integrity just like a man, and just as seldom. And here is a man with integrity and years of work put into this noble profession. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us architect Hafiz Contractor, and I'd also like to welcome on screen Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani to felicitate architect Hafiz Contractor for this award. Very warm welcome to you, gentlemen. Absolutely.
My heartiest congratulations. Wonderful, Hafiz, to be able to award this to you. Our lifetime relationships is now culminating in a lifetime achievement for you, which you so richly deserve. Wonderful. Kudos to you, and may you continue to be good health, happiness, and great architecture for the future. All the very, very best from the bottom of my heart, and everything else that is there for you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hiranandani. And we are honored, Mr. Contractor, to have you here. Would love to hear a few words from you. All the young, architects and people from the real estate are waiting to hear from you.
First of all, thank you very much for giving this award. And in fact, I'm very, very happy that one of my first client, Niranjan, is giving me the award. Okay, for that I'm very, very happy. But what I'm really not happy, I'm getting a lifetime award. Everybody thinks that I'm going to get retired. Today, we are doing more work than what we were doing pre-COVID. Okay. Now, all that is, I would say, on the side. What I would just like to say a few words, but I think they are very, very important. What has happened in the last 6-7 months and the way what has happened in the world, in fact, it's an awakening call for everyone. And it's an awakening call. Why? Because the world is changing. Everyone, maybe you might be hearing, not hearing, but not many people are conscious about it, about global warming. And the best part or the worst part is that in thousands of years, we are the first generation who can do something about this global warming. And we might be the last generation who can do something about global warming. So that gets to, us, all of us, how we are designing our buildings, how we are designing our cities, and why it is more important for India, because we are a country with bursting population. And most of our country, I would say 60 to 70% of what the built form is going to be in the next 40 years is still not built. So we must select the right way of doing things. We must select the right materials. We have to change our way, how we are looking at buildings, cities. We have to think and have our cities more condensed, denser cities, vertical cities, so that we can house our millions and millions of people. And we should stop eating farmland. We have to increase our forest cover, which we have agreed also in the Paris Accord. And the only way that we can increase our forest cover is, are we going to eat up the farmland? No. India, as far as the urban area is concerned, we are 11% of our total gross land, which is much, much more than all the other countries, which is 4% and 3%. We are sprawling, and sprawling. We have to stop the growth of cities, condense them, change our laws, completely change our laws. And unless and until we do that, we will be on a downward turn, and the future generations will be in problem. We will go away. But we have to think about this. And there is a very good saying that we do not inherit this world. We have not inherited this world from our parents or our grandfather. We have borrowed it from our children. Leave this earth in a proper way so that our future generations can enjoy it. Don't spend off her. It's like, somebody, a father who is a drunkard father, created debt for his family. We all are doing that, and we have to change our ways. And this is the time, and we don't have much time. So let's act on it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Architect Hafiz Contractor. Sapna, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, of course. First of all, congratulations, Architect Hafiz Contractor. And this award does not mean that this is a retiring time. In fact, it's an encouragement for you to keep doing the good work. Keep making buildings for us.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
And Mr. Hiranandani, thanks for being here. We knew that you are a long-term associate and friend of Architect Hafiz. So we wanted to have you here with us today to.
Niranjan, want to shake hands with you.
Let's have a high five between the two. Thank you so much, architect contractor. It's a pleasure. The pleasure is ours to felicitate you. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Hiranandani. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, everyone.
I would once
Bye.
again like to congratulate Architect Hafiz Contractor. Many, many congratulations to you. Thank you for paving the path for the youngsters coming into this industry. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the centuries, there were men who took first steps down new roads, armed with nothing but their vision. And you just saw a man like him, architect Hafiz Contractor, who has taken away the Lifetime Achievement Award only to pave a further path for all the youngsters coming into this industry. Being conscious of the environment, being conscious of the world that we will leave forward for our children. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, I hope all of you are ready. We've got this inspirational message from the leaders. And on that high note of achievement, let's begin the celebration of triumph. Do remember to tag us in your lovely winning shots and posts that you're going to do on social media. Our handles are Reality Plus on Facebook and Twitter, and on Instagram, we are by the handle RP_reality. Now, dear friends, we present the winners of the 12th Reality Plus Excellence Awards West, powered by Great White Electricals, a virtual series. The awards are presented to the most impressive real estate work and are divided under broad categories of real estate projects, developers, architects, branding and marketing consultants, and individuals. And I hope all of you are ready to kickstart the award ceremony. Although I can't see the reaction from all of you, but I'm hoping that with your comments and emojis, you are with us and excited as we are. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the 12th edition of Reality Plus Excellence Awards. And coming up is our first category. Let's have the audio visual.
We now proceed with our categories, beginning with the iconic project of the year. And the award goes to Godrej Properties for Godrej Boulevard. And VTP Realty.
Many, many congratulations to both the teams here who won the iconic project of the year, Godrej Properties for Godrej Boulevard. Do we have anyone from the Godrej team here who would like to come forward and say a few words? We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, Kathy. Good evening, everyone. It's a tremendous honor to accept this award on behalf of Godrej Properties. So a little bit about this project. It's part of a 100-acre township in Pune, and the prime positioning provides direct access to all township level amenities. And we made sure that each of the units in this sector has direct view of the central greens. I feel Godrej Properties is changing the skyline of Pune one project at a time. And our key driving factor behind this is delivering joy to our customers at every single step. So having said that, I'd like to thank the entire team for this achievement. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Soumya, and do give our regards to the entire team on the project. Thank you.
Thank you, Kwati. Thank you.
And the joint winner of the iconic project of the year, I'd like to welcome from VTP Realty, Kajal Shah, Head Marketing and Pre-Sales from VTP Realty. A very warm welcome and congratulations. All right. Unfortunately, because of technical glitch, Kajal couldn't be here. We would once again like to congratulate the entire team of VTP Realty for their big win. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, there's a quote that says, every building is like a person, single and unrepeatable. And this award definitely was the actual synonym of iconic project of the year, single and unrepeatable. So many, many congratulations to the winners. Moving on to our next category, let's take a look.
In the next category of Commercial Project of the Year, and the award goes to Brookfield Properties for Equinox.
the Year, Brookfield Properties for Equinox, and we have with us Naresh Asawa, Senior General Manager Operations, Brookfield Properties. A very warm welcome and many congratulations. We'd love to hear a few words.
Hi, good evening, everyone, and Kathy. First of all, I would like to thank the whole team of jury members of Reality Plus. It feels most special to be nominated among the pioneers of the industry and winning recognized hard works of Equinox and Brookfield Properties. Also, would like to take this opportunity to thank my team and management for their unconditional support and vision for success. Here in Equinox, you are working towards a future development, future ready buildings here, and it's a honor for us to get this award. Thank you.
Thank you and many congratulations to you and the whole team. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're moving on to our next award, which is the prestigious honor of Luxury Project of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Moving on to the most environment-friendly commercial space, and the award goes to K. Raheja Corp for Mindspace West.
Many congratulations to the winner. I think there was a technical problem. We've spotted the awards, but can we have the winner on screen, please?
Hi, Kathy. Thank you so much. I'm Abhishek Shah at Piramal Mahalakshmi. I would like to take the honor to say thank you to Piramal Reality to giving me this opportunity to be here. I think the award's been swapped. I would like to thank the Reality Plus team. So I would just like to brief you a little bit more on Piramal Mahalakshmi. This is a flagship project of Piramal Reality. It is strategically located in Mahalakshmi, right in the center of the South Mumbai, offering uninterrupted lifetime views of racecourse and the Arabian Sea. As you said, Kathy, these are architectural landmarks which will create an impression, and this is going to be an architectural landmark which will be in collaboration with the international partners, offering you a host of amenities. So I'd like to thank once again to all of you and to the team Reality. Thank you so much.
Thank you and many congratulations, Abhishek, to you and the entire team at the office, because I'm sure it is an army of people who could bring together a luxury project like Piramal Mahalakshmi. So many congratulations.
Thank you so much, Kathy.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward to our next category of award, and I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to more projects like this one. This is the most environment-friendly commercial space. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Moving on to the most environment-friendly commercial space, and the award goes to K. Raheja Corp for Mindspace West.
So big congratulations to the whole team, and we have with us Mr. Shabbir Kanchwala, Senior Vice President, K. Raheja Corp. Many congratulations, sir. We'd love to hear a few words.
Yeah, thank you, Kathy. Thank you. On behalf of my company, we are honored to be here tonight to be awarded the most environment-friendly commercial space of the year award. This is for our IT SEZ Mindspace West project at Airoli, Navi Mumbai. My company, Mindspace Business Park REIT, is one of the India's largest Grade A office projects, which owns quality portfolios of office in the west and the southern part of India, with a leasable space for almost 3 crore square feet and more than 2 lakh IT employees coming to work in my IT park every day. Other than that, a quick overview of having the highest green building footprint in India, with our projects getting certified either by the US Green Building Council or CIIGBC. We did that by being the first developer 13 years back to sign a MOU with CIIGBC to construct only green buildings in the country. once again on behalf of my entire team and with a sense of pride. Thank you.
Thank you, and once again, congratulations to the whole team. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are moving on to an always has been a popular category at the Reality Plus Excellence Awards. This is the award for the Developer of the Year Residential. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Always a popular category at the Realty Plus Excellence Awards, the award for Developer of the Year Residential. And the award goes to Hiranandani Group.
Many congratulations, sir. And we have to say, Mumbai and Hiranandani complexes has been synonymous as landmark projects. If we have to go somewhere, we say we need to go to Hiranandani or close to it. It's a landmark. Very warm welcome, sir. Let me introduce you once again formally. We have with us Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, co-founder and managing director, Hiranandani Communities and president, Naritco and ASSOCHAM. A very warm welcome, sir. And once again, many congratulations to you and the whole team.
Thank you very much, Kathy, and thank you very much, Reality Plus, for continuing to award me. About 9 years ago, I got the Lifetime Achievement Award, and I said almost similarly to what Hafiz mentioned today. So I'm really grateful to you for continuing to award me after the Lifetime Achievement Award, and also congratulations to the entire team, which puts in a lot of hard work, and probably I get to receive the awards. Thank you so much, Kathy, and thank you very much, Reality Plus.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving to the next category of award, which is the Developer of the Year Township. And let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Next we have is the Developer of the Year Township, and the award goes to VTP Realty.
Many congratulations, Kajal. Good to have you back. This is the second award for the company. So we'd love to hear from you.
Thank you, and good evening, everybody. It is such an honor to win this award with such an honorable jury. And this award is especially, it's really special for us, for VTP Realty, because we have two very large, prestigious townships running parallelly in Pune city. One in the east and one in the west, and they are doing both phenomenally well. Has literally changed the face of Pune real estate. So it is such an honor and great pride in receiving this award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Kajal, to you and the whole team out there. Thank you so much. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure when we buy a property, rent a property, what is that one thing that we are always looking for and are always doubtful about? Will there be excellence in delivery, right? So here is our next category, which is excellence in delivery. And let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Our next category is for excellence in delivery, and the award goes to Supreme Universal.
Our big congratulations to Supreme Universal, and we have with us Kajal Malik, Vice President Marketing. Very warm welcome, Kajal. Congratulations. Well, technology does, hinder in such moments, but I hope that Kajal, you can hear us and the team can hear us and they can hear all the big congratulations that are coming their way. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes. Can you see me now?
Yes, absolutely. And hear you clearly. Great.
Yes. Yes, I think we are playing hide and seek for some time. Yes, so let's try again. Yeah. So thanks a ton for the award as a group. I think it's a very prestigious award for us. And today, when at the time of pandemic, I think for buyers, excellence in delivery, timely delivery is becoming a very, very important factor to build trust. And as a group, I must share something that we give this little surprise element for customers by trying to deliver a little before time. And that joy in the customer and the home buyers to really get their home before time sometimes is so special. Thanks a ton, jury. And I think for us as a group, this is going to be a very, very special award. And Khyati, thanks a ton for calling us.
Thank you, and many, many congratulations. I can't tell you, as a customer of buying a home, I know how important that early delivery could be, or how exciting it could be. So many congratulations to you and the whole team out there.
Thank you. Thanks a ton. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to quote another quote here from Ayn Rand, again, one of my favorite authors and somebody who wrote this revolutionary novel Fountainhead, which talks about architecture in its purest form. It says, in architecture, mediocrity is more glaringly obvious than in any other lines. I'm sure you agree with that, right? Because there's like this huge physical object, such as a building, to demonstrate it. But in that context, if there is something beautiful and which is glaringly beautiful in its design, I'm sure it mesmerizes everybody, whether they're living in it, they're watching it, or they're working in it, right? With that, we're coming to this exciting category, which is the design project of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Always an exciting category, the design project of the year. And the award goes to the Wadhwa Group for Atmosphere O2.
So our big congratulations on winning this one. We have with us Mr. Bhaskar Jain, Head Sales Marketing CRM at the Wadhwa Group. Warm welcome. We'd love to hear a few words.
Thanks, Khyati. I think it's been a sheer pleasure and honor to receive such an award from Reality Plus. And we really want to thank the jury for nominating it to us. I think design remains our philosophy, and we want to continue to improve lives of the people by designing the best efficient and most effective developments through commercial townships as well as residential. And I think with support of the customers, the confidence that they have really put in us, we will continue doing so for years to come. And that remains our core philosophy and DNA of the organization. The design really helps improves the betterment and the lifestyle of the people, let's say, in coming future. And that's what we want to do, even, let's say, going forward. So thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks, Reality Plus. And we look forward to your support, and we really want to deliver it even for years to come and receiving these kinds of awards for our design philosophies. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. Jain, and to the whole team out there for Atmosphere O2. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope all of you are ready, because we're moving quickly to our next category, which is going to be for the Integrated Township Project of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Felicitating now the Integrated Township Project of the Year, and the award goes to Kolte Patil Developers for Life Republic.
So many, many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, the Integrated Township Project of the Year is the Kolte Portal Developers for Life Republic, and we have with us Gayatri Kunte, Assistant Vice President Marketing at Kolte Portal Developers Limited. Very warm welcome and congratulations.
Thank you, Khati. I would like to take this opportunity and on behalf of Kolte Patil would like to thank Realty Plus for honoring us with this prestigious award. I think Realty Plus takes immense efforts to ensure visibility of the industry and as well as recognize the performance excellence. At Kolte Patil, construction means creation. And today I would like to take this opportunity and invite you all at Life Republic Pune, which is one of our such creation, and it's a landmark township which is shaping up near Hinjewadi, where the focus is not only on building the homes, but we are creating an environment worth living in. Thank you once again, Realty Plus.
Well, Pune is glad to have this township there. Many congratulations to you and the whole team out there. Do celebrate.
Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're not forgetting to join us in our online conversation and congratulating these winners, the stalwarts in the industry, iconic projects in the West Zone. Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, I hope that all of you know that for any Indian, buying their own house is such a big dream. And here is an important category where we are celebrating, rewarding, and recognizing the coveted residential project of the year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
An important category for the interesting times we are in today. The coveted residential project of the year. And the award goes to Sheetal Infrastructure for Sheetal West Park Residency. And Nayati Group for Nayati Evolve.
So many congratulations to both our winners. It's a joint winner in this category. I'd like to first invite Vishal Dethe, CGM Sales and Marketing, Sheetal Infrastructure, to say a few words, please.
Good evening, Khyati, and thank you very much for bestowing this honor to Sheetal Infra. And I feel honored on receiving this on behalf of my company, as Sheetal Infra is in this industry since 15 years, and we are making landmark projects in city like Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar. And this honor means we will continue, doing great work like this in future also. Thank you, Realty Plus Award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations and give our regards to the. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Residential Project of the Year joint winner, Niyati Evolve. We have with us Prashant Shroff, General Manager Sales, Niyati Group. A very warm welcome and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Kathy. Happy evening to all. Thank you so much, Reality Plus, for actually honoring us with this award. It was a it was a task between all the major players there in Magarpatta, and Niyati is coming with this brand new project called Niyati. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you and congratulations to you and the whole team. Many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, our world is evolving, moving towards IT quite a bit, isn't it? As you will see a lot of IT parks erupting and emerging in the cities. And here is our next category of award, which is going to reward and recognize the IT Park Project of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Another exciting category, the IT Park Project of the Year. And the award goes to Amar Builders and Developers for Amar Madhuban Tech Park.
So many congratulations. We have with us Prakash Londhe, Senior Manager Finance and Accounts at Amar Builders. Very warm welcome to you and many congratulations.
Thank you, Kathy. So, on behalf of Amar Builders, I would like to thank Realty Plus Awards and the jury for recognizing our efforts. Amar Madhuban Tech Park is near about 4.5 lakh square feet IT park, and I must proudly say that this project has been completed in a record timeline of only 16 months. And the park is green rated and boasts all the cutting edge technology. Again, on behalf of our entire team, I thank Reality Plus for this honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Many congratulations, and congratulations to the whole team that has worked on this project. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to our next category. Now, tell me about this. When there is something that is ordinary, while whether it be a cake or a park or a project, would you like that or something which has a beautiful theme to it? I'm sure it's the theme, right? Because that's the category of our next award. It is the themed project of the year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Themed Project of the Year is the next category of the evening, and the award goes to Gera Developments for Gera's River of Joy, Goa, and Provident Housing for Adora de Goa by Provident.
So once again, many congratulations. We have joint winners in this category. Firstly, I would like to call on Gera Developments for Gera's River of Joy. From there, we have Jayant Gosavi, Senior Vice President Operations. A very warm welcome. Many congratulations. We wish to hear a few words from you.
Thank you, Kati, and a very good evening to everybody. On behalf of Gera Development, I would like to thank Reality Plus for awarding this prestigious award to us, and it's definitely a recognition of all the efforts of Team Gera, and I'm sure we'll continue to outdo in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Many congratulations to you and the whole team.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Themed Project of the Year has a joint winner, so we'd like to invite from Provident Housing for the Adora de Goa by Provident, Abhishek Kapoor, COO, Purvankara Limited. Can we have Abhishek here? Many congratulations.
Hi, Kathy. Thank you so much, Kathy.
We'd love to hear a few words. What is this project like? How does it feel to win this Themed Project of the Year award?
Oh, this is something that we have done against all odds. One of our performing projects with ideas that have never been seen before in Goa. And it is a project which has attracted buyers from all over the country, as Goa is a destination which people love, and it's a second home destination, and it's really come out successfully. We have partnered with a hospitality partner in which we have promoted the project with a lot of services, and it's really worked well for us. And kudos to the team. They have put together a product which has really worked, and it's addressed the demand of the market.
Amazing. Many congratulations, Abhishek, to you and the whole team that's worked on the project. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to our next award category, which is the Industrial Project of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
The next award is for Industrial Project of the Year, and the award goes to Embassy Industrial Parks for Embassy Industrial Park, Chakan.
So many congratulations for the Industrial Project of the Year award goes to Embassy Industrial Parks for Embassy Industrial Park, Chakan. And we have with us Sandeep Chanda, Head Strategy and Acquisition from Embassy. A very warm welcome. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. We have with us Abhishek Kumar from Embassy Group. Warm welcome and congratulations.
Hello everyone. I'm Abhishek from Embassy Industrial Park, and I would like to thank the distinguished jury and the organizers for this honor. I take this privilege of receiving this award on the behalf of the entire team of Embassy Industrial Park and the Embassy Group. who have made this recognition possible. Embassy Industrial Park Chakan was the maiden project of Embassy Industrial Park, which is spread over 52 acres and is an availed location for MNC industrial manufacturers and logistic companies.
Mr.
Embassy
Kumar,
Industri-
sorry to disturb you, but would you be able to switch on your camera? That we have-
I'm sorry. That's not getting displayed over here. That's the problem in my
All right.
interface. Yeah.
Okay, no problem, sir. Please go on.
Yeah. So we started MSc Industrial Park 4 years back, and now we have 3.5 million square feet of operational warehousing and industrial asset across India, and we have another 100, like probably 10 million square feet of developments coming up in India. That is it for the Embassy Industrial Park as of now, and thank you for this honor. Really appreciate and thanks.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kumar. Congratulations to you and the whole team who's worked on the project. Kudos to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to the next category of award. Now, this is something that we've been doing since ages, since the time immemorial. We've loved to live in communities. Humans are social beings. We can't live in isolation. We love to interact with our community, and which is why our next category of award is the Residential Complex of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, bringing to you the next audiovisual.
The next award is for Residential Complex of the Year, and the award goes to Mahalakshmi Developers for Zen State.
So our big congratulations to Mahalakshmi Developers for Zen Estate. We have with us Mr. Manoj Gupta, who is the Managing Director at Mahalakshmi Group. Warm welcome, congratulations, sir. We would love to hear a few words.
Thank you, Yati. Hello everyone, we at Mahalakshmi Group are honored to receive this award for our project Zen Estate. Zen Estate focuses on a balanced and peaceful life. With our conscious efforts, we have earned a platinum pre-certification for our project Zen Estate. I would like to thank everyone associated with Zen Estate for believing in the idea of Zen Estate and working to bring it into a reality. We believe in a balanced and peaceful life. I would also like to thank Realty Plus and all the jury members for honoring us by giving this award. Thank you.
Thank you, congratulations, sir, and to the whole team who's worked on the project. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are moving on to our next category of award. Now, this is a category which has been spoken even during the conclave, mixed use. Mixed use projects where there is all the amenities available, all the utility organizations, institutions also available in the project. And right here is our category of mixed use project of the year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Moving on to Mixed Use Project of the Year, and the award goes to Prestige Group for Prestige Ocean Crest.
To Prestige Group for Prestige Ocean Crest, we have with us Mr. Praveen Srivastava from Prestige Group. Congratulations. We'd love to hear a few words from you.
Thank you, Khyati, and good evening, everyone. On behalf of Prestige Group, it's a privilege for me to accept this award, and I would like to thank the jury of Realty Plus for bestowing this award on us. Prestige Ocean Crest is a project in Donapala, Goa, posh environs, and like you said, human being is a social animal, so we have certain things to take care of that, the social part. We have shops. We have 106 apartments and also a beautiful sea view restaurant on multiple levels in the project. It is our first step in Goa, and we have many more steps to follow in West India. Thank you once again, and nice to be here.
Congratulations, Praveer, to you and to the entire team who's worked on the project. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, day by day, we are getting more and more conscious about our footprint in the whole planet, right? The carbon footprint, the plastic wastage, the industrial waste. There is so much that we are damaging in the environment. But as we get conscious, our builders, every ecosystem, every stakeholder in the ecosystem also gets conscious with us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our next category, which is the most environment-friendly residential space. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Our present times have made us more aware than ever about the importance of our environment and homes. Our next category is for the most environment-friendly residential space, and the award goes to Godrej Properties for Godrej Park Greens and Godrej Forest Grove.
So big congratulations, Soumya. Welcome once again. Congratulations.
Thanks again, Khyati. On behalf of the entire Godrej Properties team, I thank the jury for this award. So Godrej Park Greens and Forest Grove is a project in Mamudi in Pune. This lush development offers what every resident is looking for. We have better air quality, we have tranquility, and we overall have a higher standard of living, which was delivered through the human-centric design and which basically encourages our residents to walk around and experience nature. We have more than 1,400 trees planted on campus with over 90% of them native species, which is offsetting the annual carbon footprint by 9,800 tons. I think the credit for all of this goes to our sustainability vision of creating a more inclusive and greener world, also on our focus on consumer joy, the dedication to excellence, and the consumer's trust in us. So we look forward to more such accomplishments in the future. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, and we look forward to more projects like such for a betterment of the city that we operate in. Thank you. Congratulations, Soumya, and to the whole team.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, beauty comes in different forms, whether it is the beauty of the building by itself or whether it is the beauty of the space that you live in, right? And which is why we are going to award the next category, which is the best interior design in residential. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Next award is for the best interior design residential, and the award goes to Kalpataru for Kalpataru Magnus.
So a big congratulations. We have with us Rahul Dubey, Senior Vice President, Sales, Kalpataru Limited. Congratulations for Kalpataru Magnus being the best interior design residential project of the year.
Thank you so much, Khyati. It's indeed a pleasure to receive this award. And Magnus is right in the heart of city. So Mumbai being a commercial capital of India and BKC being the biggest commercial district in India, Magnus is right there, 5 minutes away. So while we took over this project, we indeed knew that we will have to create something remarkable to live up to the expectations of the Mumbaikars. And that's what Magnus does. So Magnus is a project which has a right blend. While the location is great, it has a right blend of everything which nature offers plus man-made stuff. So that's why Magnus is so special. While it has been 50 years of creating landmark projects, but whenever good work is rewarded and appreciated, it feels even better. So it's my personal favorite, Kalpataru Magnus, and really thankful to Realty Plus and the jury that they've really appreciated this and we recognize that. Thank you.
So congratulations, Rahul, to you and the whole team out there for this big win on Kalpataru Magnus. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are moving on to the next big award, which is the Developer of the Year Commercial. I hope all of you are ready. If you have any guesses, please go ahead and comment on our social media handles. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
the best among the best in the category of Developer of the Year, Commercial, and the award goes to Brookfield Properties.
So our big congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, Developer of the Year Commercial. We have with us Vithal Suryavanshi, Senior Vice President from Brookfield Properties. Congratulations, and we'd love to hear a few words from you.
Thank you, Kathy. And we would like to thank Realty Plus and the entire jury for awarding this prestigious award. It's an honor to accept this award on behalf of the entire team here at Brookfield. We have an excellent, dedicated, and very hardworking team, because of whom this has been possible in such a short span. I would also like to congratulate all the winners this evening who have got the award, and we would like to thanks once again, and have a good evening.
Thank you so much, Mr. Suryavanshi. Congratulations to you, the whole team out there who's worked on projects commercially. And yes, do not forget, we are in this really unusual times, but we need to celebrate the victory. So congratulations.
Absolutely. Thank you so much once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're moving on to the next category of award, a unique award to say the least, but very pertinent in the times that we live in. It is the category of Prop Tech Brand of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Next, we have the Prop Tech Brand of the Year, and the award goes to Sell.Do.
So our big congratulations to the team of Sell.Do. We would love to have you here, but because of technical difficulties, we couldn't. But I would like all of you to give out your best wishes, congratulatory messages to Sell.Do. Thank you so much. Big congratulations to Ketan Sapnis, the CEO and founder of Sell.Do, and to the whole team out there. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are moving on to our next category, which is the top-notch, ultra-luxury lifestyle project of the year. I hope all of you are ready to find out who the winner is. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Taking it a notch ahead is the ultra-luxury lifestyle project of the year, and the award goes to Amar Builders and Developers for Amar Westview.
So once again, our big congratulations to Amar Developers, and once again, very warm welcome, sir. We'd love to hear a few words.
Yes, once again, thank you, Kathy. Definitely, Amar Builders is based in commercial, but
Sorry for that technical error. Please go on.
yeah, no problem. So what I wanted to say that Amar Builders is based in commercial, but we are the masters in residential projects. So on behalf of Amar Builders, I would like to thank Realty Plus Awards and the jury for the recognizing our efforts for achieving a new benchmark in ultra luxury segment. Amar Westview is one of the most ultra luxurious offering located in the lush green location of KP, that is Koregaon Park of Pune. Offering one the single largest floor plates, the project is at the cutting edge of the ultra luxury. Again, on behalf of the entire team, I thank you, Realty Plus, for this honor. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Congratulations once again to you and the whole team out there. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're moving to our next category. Now, this category is something that is pertinent in all industries. If you have the best customer service, no matter how or what the frustration of the customers is, you can win their heart. Ladies and gentlemen, by providing high quality customer value, Brands are set apart by the competition, and receiving the tribute for excellence in customer service is our award winner. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Providing high-quality customer value is what sets brands apart. Receiving the tribute for excellence in customer service. And the award goes to Gera Developments for Gera World App.
So once again, many congratulations. Here we have with us Jayant Gusavi, Senior Vice President Operations, Gera Developments. Many congratulations to you, sir. Gera World App has won this prestigious award. What would you like to say?
Thank you, Kathy. It's a pleasure to be back here and receive this award. And I must thank the jury to recognize this unique service that we're providing to the customers. Gera World App is a unique collaboration platform for all the stakeholders, obviously with the customer in focus. So this is a result of the dedication and efforts of our IT team and CRM, and I'm here to receive this on their behalf. And thank you so much. I'm sure we'll continue to outdo in the field of technology. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Many congratulations to you and the whole team at Gera Developments. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're moving on to our next category. Now, this category again is pertinent in all industries. It is pivotal now more than ever. This digital era that we talk about, we need to be touched upon at every digital points. We need to know what the brand is doing, how is it doing, how do we get this information through their digital marketing campaigns, which is why our next category of the award is the Digital Marketing Campaign of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Digital presence goes hand in hand with brand awareness, excelling in the category of Digital Marketing Campaign of the Year. And the award goes to Amura Marketing Technologies for Premium Living Meets Convenience Campaign for Rama Metro Line.
So our big congratulations to the team. We have with us, ladies and gentlemen, Pranoti Dhanavate, Account Manager at Amura Marketing Technologies. Congratulations. We'd love to hear a few words from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good evening, guys. First of all, I'm extremely honored to be receiving this award. Obviously, this is a very proud moment for the entire team, and it was a great working with the growth marketing experiments. We tried different experiments, we designed and we conducted different experiments to optimize and to improve the results of the campaign. And yes, thank you so much. Again, I would like to thank the Reality Plus Award on the behalf of my entire team. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Pranoti, to you and the whole team out there. Many, many congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to our next category of the award. Now, this category is something that we all are kind of anticipating on how is going to be the next project launched. And with now everything being virtual, how is it going to be unique, experiential, and yet really warm, heartwarming, and keeping it engaging, right? Ladies and gentlemen, here we bring to you the Project Launch of the Year award. Let's take a look.
The award for the Project of the Year goes to a company making waves for its creativity. And the award goes to Nayati Group for Nayati Enthrall.
So once again, our big congratulations to Niyati Group for Niyati Enthrall. And we have with us once again Prashant Shroff, General Manager Sales, Niyati Group. Warm welcome, congratulations. Do tell us. I think your mic is mute, sir. Would you like to unmute it first? We are unable to hear you currently. Still can't hear you, sir. Mr. Shroff, would you like to disconnect the headphones and try?
Yeah, am I audible right now?
Absolutely.
All right. Sorry for the glitch. Well, thank you so much for Kathy for this great award. Well, the Nyatri Enthal launch was truly a very overwhelming experience. So more than 1,100 people visited us that day. We facilitated more than 268 clients who have trusted and invested in Nyati since years. So just thank you all and really appreciate where you actually recognizing this, that Nyati truly deserve this. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations. I hope there are more amazing, unique product launches, project launches that you do in the future as well, where all your stakeholders come together and experience it in complete bliss. So congratulations once again to you and the whole group.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've been talking about architecture for a while, right? It is a visual art, and buildings are basically something that you can see, the demonstration of that art. Ladies and gentlemen, coming forward is our next category of award, which is the Architectural Firm of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Recognizing path-breaking architecture is the category of Architectural Firm of the Year, and the award goes to DSP Design Associates.
So many congratulations. We have with us, ladies and gentlemen, architect Yatin Patel, founder and principal, DSP Design Associates. Warm welcome to you and congratulations on being the Architectural Firm of the Year.
Thank you, thank you, Kathy, and thank you to the jury and Reality Plus for presenting us with this coveted title of Architectural Firm of the Year. This happens to be the third year in a row that we've got this award, and it keeps getting us to really up our game. And this year, again, we have introduced now our partnership with Intelligent Buildings to provide smart building technologies and solutions for large-scale commercial developments across India, Southeast Asia, and Australia. And with our collaboration with One Global Design, our footprint now is absolutely global. I had mentioned this in a couple of years back in one of these awards that we received, that we are truly now an Indian global organization that delivers architectural solutions across the world. Thank you again, and have a good evening.
Thank you. Congratulations to you and the whole team. And it gives us such happiness to hear that we are the Indian global firm. Thank you. Congratulations, sir, one more time.
Thanks again.
Ladies and gentlemen, design thinking is not an art. It's an attitude. It is a way of living. And here is our next award category, which is the Architectural Design of the Year, Residential. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Architectural Design of the Year Residential, and the award goes to Supreme Universal for Supreme Estia, Pune.
So our big congratulations to Supreme Universal for Supreme Estia, Pune. We have with us Urmila Vaishampayan, Head Architect, Supreme Universal. Warm welcome, Urmila. We'd love to hear a few words from you. If you can please unmute your mic and switch on your camera, it'll be great.
Can you hear me and can you see me?
I can hear you, Urmila, but unfortunately I can't see you yet.
I don't know what is the problem, but I can hear you very well and I am able to see you as well. First of all,
yes, congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Reality Plus and jury members for this award. I'm architect Urmila from Supreme Universal taking this award. I extend my thanks to architect Rushikesh Hadnurkar as well as the team who has worked with us for this project. Also, I would like to thank all my managing directors and everyone who has supported this design of the project and allowed us to have it executed. I think this award is a testimony to the fact that when an idea or a concept is clear cut in its approach and prioritizes the needs of the end users, it will definitely strike the end user for sure. Estia, in my opinion, is such a dream project, and it gives me immense pleasure to have it appreciated by the jury. And very happy to have this award, and we are selected as a award winners for this category. As a group, Supreme has always worked on design and detailing of the project, and we have always tried our level best to create something which is very liked by the end user, and eventually if the end user is happy, our group gets satisfaction in its own. Thank you once again for acknowledging our work. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Kathy and Team Reality Plus. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. So well said, Urmila. Congratulations to you and the whole team. Many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're moving on to our next category, which is the luxury interiors of the year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Luxury Interiors of the Year. And the award goes to Imagination INC for 24K Stargaze.
Congratulations, Imagination Inc. for 24K Stargaze. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Swapnil Pofle, Senior Interior Designer at Imagination Inc. Warm welcome, congratulations. Do tell us. Swapnil, unfortunately, I'm not able to hear you. I'm not sure if it is a technical glitch from my end or yours. I'm just going to check with the team. Unfortunately, Swapnil, I think there is a connection problem. Would you be able to rejoin us? We're not getting any sound from your end, Swapnil. Yes, little bit. Yes, now I can. I'm so sorry to say, Swapnil, once again, we can't hear you clearly. So I guess I'll have to just congratulate you and the whole team. But many congratulations. It is a coveted, award, Luxury Interiors of the Year. I hope Imagination Inc., every team member celebrates this for 24K Stargaze. Congratulations, Swapnil. Yes, technology sometimes does this mischievous stuff with us, but congratulations, Swapnil, once again. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to our next category, which is the Project Construction Management Firm of the Year. There are many stakeholders when you want to build a project, or rather see a project to light. And here is one of the most important stakeholders, which is the Project Construction Management Firm of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Project Construction Management Firm of the Year. And the award goes to Turner Project Management, India.
Big congratulations, firstly, ladies and gentlemen, Project Construction Management Firm of the Year, Turner Project Management India. And we have with us Mr. Dinesh Dubey, Director of Operations at Turner India. Warm welcome, congratulations, sir. We'd love to hear a few words.
Thank you, Khyati. It's been a great journey for us, and thank you for recognizing us. We owe this to our customers who've been continuously reposing faith through the best of time and the worst of times, actually. And to our Turner team, who's been continuously delivering the quality service to our customer by upholding our core values of teamwork, integrity, and commitment. It's been a great journey so far, and we are thankful to the jury and Reality Plus also. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Mr. Dubey, and to the whole team. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving forward to our next award category, recognizing the Integrated Brand Campaign of the Year, giving a 360-degree approach. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Recognizing the Integrated Brand Campaign of the Year, giving a 360-degree approach, and the award goes to Nyati Group for Sabse Pehle Apna Ghar campaign.
Many congratulations once again to Niyati Group for a beautiful campaign which says Sabse Pehle Apna Ghar, a sentiment that most Indians share. So once again, Prashant, very warm welcome, and we'd love to hear a few words. Once again, can't hear you. Yes, now you are.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so I'll continue. Thank you so much, Kathy. Sorry, I missed what you said. But I really thank you for appreciating the entire campaign. It was brainchild of our director Harish Shroff, along with our executive director Piyush Nyati and our marketing head Elma Joseph. So post pandemic, we really thought the entire campaign was based on true events. So post pandemic, we got a lot of calls, and there was a lot of calls coming in. What's next? We wanted our house because we have a good tenant base living in our societies. So from there, the entire campaign was originated, and we wanted to do a very true campaign. It was, I understand it's all about marketing, but this was something very true, pure campaign. Actually, post-pandemic, we wanted to capture it, and that's what it was all about. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. Shroff. What I was saying is the campaign is so novel, which is Sabse Pehle Apna Ghar, which is a sentiment which most Indians share. So many congratulations to you and the whole
Sorry,
team.
Kathy, I'm not able to hear you. I think there's another technical glitch.
No problem.
No worries. We can always discuss this next time.
Sure.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're moving on to our next category of award. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a category where even if the project is amazing, it's made perfect to the T. All amenities, all environment-friendly precautions taken, all the details are put into place. But if it is not reaching the customers, what is it about the project that is going to allure those customers there? And which is why you need an advertising agency to do the work for you, to bring that word to the customers. And which is why here we are rewarding and recognizing the Advertising Agency of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
And now we have the Advertising Agency of the Year, and the award goes to Amura Marketing Technologies.
So
Hi.
Congratulations, Vaishakhi.
Hi, Kathy. Thank you.
To introduce you, Vaishakhi, we have with us Vaishakhi Fatke, Director Marketing, Amura Marketing Technologies. Warm welcome. Congratulations. Please say a few words.
Thank you, Kathy. I would like to thank Reality Plus for honoring us with this recognition. This award definitely goes to the entire team at Amura Marketing Technologies, and definitely to our clients, Hiranandani Group, for whom we've won this award. And a little about Amura Marketing Technologies. We offer growth marketing solutions to different sectors like real estate, pharma, manufacturing, retail, and many more. We empower our clients to serve theirs better by transforming their businesses through meaningful customer experiences and measurable results. On that note, I would like to thank Reality Plus once again, and wish you all a lovely evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Many
Thank you.
congratulations once again to you and the whole team.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are moving on to our next award category, which is the final award of the award ceremony. Here it is. To be a true reality influencer, you also have to be a super CXO. The Reality Plus CXO of the Year award. Here it is. Let's take a look.
To be a true realty influencer, you also have to be a super CXO. The Realty Plus CXO of the Year award, and the award goes to Sachin Bhandari, CEO, VTP Realty.
So our big congratulations. We had this amazing eco effect coming in when your name was announced. So once again, many congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. The Reality Plus CXO of the Year award goes to Sachin Bhandari, CEO, VTP Realty. We'd love to hear a few words from you.
Thank you, Kathy. Thank you, Reality Plus. It's really an honor to get adjudged as the best CEO of the year. That too from the esteemed jury that Reality Plus had on board. I must say that this is an acknowledgement of the good work that we have been trying to do at VTP. At VTP, we have been trying to do be the best brand for our customers, for our employees, and for our finances. I clearly can say that we are setting benchmarks in real estate industry. While we are only in Pune, I can clearly say that those benchmarks are really emulated by everybody else in the country as well. And I promise you here that in the real estate industry, we'll continue to bring positivity. We'll continue to set benchmark for ourselves as an industry. And as a whole, as VTP not only will remain the leader of the industry, will retain our number one position, but for the industry also will act as a torch, as a light, so that the whole industry moves ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Such lovely and encouraging words, Mr. Bhandari. Congratulations to you and the whole team of VTP.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude the evening, if we made a mistake, it's good to reconcile and make it better, right? So there was a technical glitch while we announced the prestigious honor of Luxury Project of the Year. So we'd like to once again showcase the winner of the prestigious honor of Luxury Project of the Year. Let's take a look at the audiovisual.
Next is the prestigious honor of Luxury Project of the Year, and the award goes to Piramal Realty for Piramal Mahalakshmi.
So our big congratulations to the winner. Can we also display their certificate, please? Yes, a big congratulations to Piramal Realty for being the Luxury Project of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we come to the fantastic closing of the 12th edition of Reality Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards 2020 West. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long day, but what a satisfying day it has been. Real estate is actually the most essential part of our ecosystem, of the life that we lead. So it has been an honor to be the host to all of you. I once again like to congratulate all our winners. You've made the industry proud with your dedication and performance. Once again, I'd like to thank all our speakers, eminent speakers, panelists, jury members, winners for taking out the time to come and be connected with us today. Your participation and presence made this evening truly memorable. We'd also like to thank all our audience viewers from across the country, or rather across the world, who are watching us. Ladies and gentlemen, we wish you all health and well-being. We look forward to seeing you all soon, virtually, and with God's grace, once we emerge from this pandemic, we will have a delightful opportunity to connecting in person too. With that, I would like to thank Reality Plus and our partners for putting up the 12th edition of Reality Plus Excellence Awards 2020 and the Conclave. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope all of you are staying safe, stay home, stay healthy. With that, I am Khyati Kawa, your host, signing off. Thank you very much and God bless.